Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my mango pineapple smoothie. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm going to use. Okay, as you can see here, I have my frozen pineapples and mango. I just cut them up last night and then let them stay in the freezer, and then I got them out this morning. Okay, and I'm going to use my carnation milk, okay, and pure vanilla extract, and I have my sugar. I'm going to use a little bit of sugar. Okay, let's start with our smoothies, guys. I have my blender. Okay, my hand already cleaned up, guys. I'm going to start adding my fruits. Okay. Okay, mango. This is going to be so good, guys. Okay, when you're making your smoothies, guys, you have to just cut up your pineapples and your mangoes and then put them in the freezer. Okay, now I'm going to add my milk. Okay, and my vanilla extract. Okay, that's a teaspoon, teaspoon, guys. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Okay, cover it up. Okay, I'm going to blend that up, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, my smoothies are done. It's ready. So let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, here. Let me put it up. Okay, you see that? Okay, now I have my cup. I have 3 cups. Okay, let me start pouring it in. You see that, guys? Okay. Okay, perfect. I just cannot wait, guys. Looks beautiful. Okay, that's it. Let me just put that away. Let me just okay. Now I'm going to put a little piece of mango on each cups. Okay, have to stay up. Okay, pineapple. Okay, guys. Now let me dry my hand and put on my straws. Okay, guys. You see that? Okay. So, alright, guys. If you like this recipe video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and give it a try. Okay. Now it's time for me to enjoy my smoothie. Tastes so good, guys. Okay, guys, Have a wonderful day. Bye.